A Manipur Transgender activist who is on hunger strike in New Delhi is demanding that Prime Minister Narendra Modi visit the trouble-torn state. Malim Thongam has been on hunger strike since February 22 in New Delhi, where she is demanding that PM Modi visit Manipur and also that a suspension of operations with the hill-based groups be abrogated. Earlier yesterday, Malim Thongam was hospitalized after her health deteriorated. Malim Thongam's health condition deteriorated today, following which she was admitted at the Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital. Her hunger strike started on February 22 at Delhi University, Delhi. She was detained by Delhi police from Mukherjee Nagar police station at 4 p.m. and kept in Burari police station along with office bearers of Delhi Meitei Coordinating Committee (DMCC). She and other members of DMCC were released by Burari police station at 9 p.m. She continued her first at 59th Lodi Estate, Lodi Road, in front of the official residence of Member of Parliament R.K. Ranjan, Ministry of State of External Affairs, Government of India. She was supported by members of DMCC. Again, she and members of DMCC were arrested by Delhi police and detained at Tughlaq Police Station, Delhi. She later continued her fast at Jantar Mantar on 25 February 2024. She was arrested by Parliament Street Police Station and detained at the police station till 10 p.m. Parliament Street Police has released her and forced her to stay in the Bangla Sahib Gurudwara, New Delhi.